Hi, this is Kerry Duke with Q&A Media. I am here with Sherry Green, one in Dallas. Now, how are you, Sherry? Can
I'm
you hear
good.
me?
How are you? Yes. Can you hear
Doing
me?
well. Yeah, slight delay there, no problem. Um, let's talk about your business. You're in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and tell us a little bit about A&M in
Well, we
what
started
you
in
guys.
about 1990. We started A number one air started off just my husband and I, James, and we started from just two people, and we originally just did appliance service, and then in probably about 1994 we decided to add air conditioning, and we've grown now to the largest air conditioning company in the DFW Metroplex, and we have over 250 employees.
Well, that's very good. When you
There's
say, I mean,
James. He
what
just
does your
walked in.
typical client look like?
We have lots of different clients that, everybody typically needs air conditioning. I mean, our average customer that is our favorite customer is people that, value quality, a job done right the first time. They're not just looking for the lowest price and use you once and use somebody the next time. We really like to build relationships with our customers that last over the years. And when customers buy air conditioning, sometimes it's like a marriage because if you buy equipment that's going to last, 10, 12 years, you're going to have a lot of contact with the company that you choose. So we also have customers, we have commercial customers. We have people that just need maintenance, so all types of houses and really all types of customers, but really people that want to focus on, quality and getting their money's worth.
Very good. What air conditioning services do you provide?
We do everything from, preventative maintenance. We have quarterly and biannually maintenance programs where we do spring and fall checkups. And then we do every type of service, every type of repair. We do replacements, installations, and we do commercial, light commercial, all the way up to, heavy mechanical skyrise.
Now, is there any type of process in that, when you do air conditioning services? I know a lot of things start off with a repair, and people want to, know what their options are. Do you have a process that you go through?
Oh boy, with 250 people, we have a process for everything. But yeah, there is. If our technician is out, whether they're on a maintenance call or a tune-up or a service call, they have an actual form that they go through and fill out where they check everything, check all the heat loads, try to make sure that they don't miss any potential problems. Or, our model's guaranteed right day or night. We want to fix it right the first time. So we go through everything. And then if we do get to the point where we find multiple problems or the customer's got an older equipment, we do talk with them and educate them on the difference of repair versus replace and kind of give them their specific scenario of, what might be best for them, let them choose what they want to go with. But at the same time, we really want to educate them on all their options.
Okay. Now, do you also perform emergency air conditioning services, or is it just, you mentioned maintenance and, scheduled uh, biannual looks. Do you do emergency repair services as well?
Yeah, that's funny you asked that. We are truly 24/7, 365. We have staff. I mean, we have office staff, we have field staff. People kind of laugh because they call sometimes at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning and they're expecting to get an answering machine or an answering service, but they're actually talking to our live staff. And we dispatch, technicians out to their house, no matter what time it is, as long as, we have openings that day, that particular time. But we have staff that are work around the clock.
Okay. So how are you able to service Tarrant County and as the entire Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex? How are you able to handle that big of a territory?
Kind of when we were kind of at one particular level of, volume of a company with enough staff, and really it's just about staffing. To have enough staff we have people that live in all different areas, so a lot of them can start and end in those particular areas close to their home. And then we have people that work all the different schedules. So being able to blanket the Metroplex with, staff and then cover it with a schedule, it takes quite a few people to be able to pull that off. But, we have a full in-house training program where we take people in, it's hard to find technicians. We take people in and we train them. And, they grow from maintenance technicians and eventually they turn into service technicians. And so we're able to fill that need for all of our customers to be there when they need us.
Oh, that's good to hear. I bet that makes your employees happier a lot than the normal AC repair company has because you're of the in-house promotion ability.
Absolutely. I mean, we've got people that, there's a lot of opportunity here that a lot of companies do one or two things or they just do maintenance and they don't have options. But, we've got team leads, we've got people that go from being a, maintenance technician to a service tech. They, go all the way up to be, work in the commercial department or installs. So we have a lot of opportunity here.
Oh, that's excellent. All right, so we're going to wrap this up with one big question. And I'm a potential prospect of, I have an AC that has an issue. Why should I consider a number one air over any of the other choices that are available to me?
You know, people will say, "Hey, we're a large company, and you advertise a lot." But to me, the reason that we've grown is that number one, we always try to do the right thing. Occasionally, we mess up. Any company messes up, but we always make it right, and we always try to treat customers how we would want to be treated. And doing the right thing, and no matter what circumstance, I mean, that just helps you as a company grow. But that is because people refer us because we've taken care of them. So for a potential new customer thinking about us, knowing that one, we're accessible. My husband or my phone number or both of our numbers are on the back of like every business card. It's our real cell phone. If there's a problem, they can call us 24/7. They might get an answering machine if it's late at night, but we'll follow through and we'll get back with them. Um, and we will make it right, and we stand behind what we say.
That sounds really good, Sherry. Okay, well, Sherry Green with a number one air. Appreciate your time,
Thank you.
and we will talk with you next time.
Thanks. Bye bye.